Hey everybody. Hey, I want to make sure that you understand what we're doing today for the experiment. So I'm going to go through it right now. Okay. So you take two pieces of bread. Um, take two white pieces of bread. If you have just a little bread and you want to use a half, that's fine too. So you have two pieces of bread. They are the same, right? This is an experiment, so you want to keep things constant. That except for one thing that you're testing. So we got two pieces of bread. We're going to take water and we are going to place the water, 1 tablespoon of water, on the bread. And we're going to cover that bread with the water all over so it's fairly even. Now you have a moist piece of bread. You are going to go and you're going to find the place that you think has the most bacteria, maybe the grossest place that you can think of. Go and rub it along that edge or the surface in your house, wherever that might be. Remember, I used the sink under the sink drain, and I pulled out as much as I could. And then you bring it back to the piece of bread. You rub it and touch it along the bread where it was all damp. You make sure that it touches the surface all in all of the areas, right? Then you take the bread and you stick it into a baggie like so, and now you have it in here. You do it to the other piece of bread as well. So you have two pieces of bread. Then you take those two pieces of bread, you're going to put one in a cupboard and you're going to leave one out in the open. Okay? Remember that we're talking about the independent variable, which is having one in the cupboard, and we're testing, does mold and bacteria grow better in the dark than in the light? So that's what this is about. Okay, so we do that. We're going to leave it until Friday. And if everything goes well, we should be able to see some bacteria growing by Friday morning. And we can show that on the screen. If you have any questions, let me know. But hopefully this will explain that. The independent variable is putting it in the dark, one in the dark, and then having one out. And that's what we're testing. Is bacteria grow better in the dark than in the light? Your hypothesis, you can make your own hypothesis, whether or not one will grow better in the light or the dark. You can decide which you think. That will be your hypothesis, and we'll find out if that hypothesis is correct. Okay, well, have a good day and let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.